there, April, my mom, Aiko of Yes and Next here. In this session, we're going to do a strength and cardio workout designed to help you feel stronger, feel steadier on your feet, and help you do your daily activities easier. Now, it's never too late to start building muscle. Right. Now, you can do this one seated or standing, and it will be easy on the feet. It's really a lot of upper body moves with this workout. And for the strength portion, you can pick up some light weights. My mom has 2 and 3 pound weights over here. I have 5 and 8 pound weights here. But you can pick up anything that's easy to hold, like water bottles, cans, or if you're just starting out, don't use any weights at all. Okay? All right, so how does that sound, Mom?
Sounds great. Let's go. We gotta get strong.
All right, let's build strength, everyone. We'll take a pause here and get started with our warm-up. Okay, want to have a seat, Mom?
Sure.
All right, everybody.
Thank you.
Let's warm it up. You can move your feet gently if you want, but really this is going to be focusing on upper body moves, both strength and cardio. Okay, but let's get those feet moving just to get some circulation in the entire body.
Yeah.
All right, so let's do some arm swings. Gentle, nice and gentle. As high as you want. Just want to get those arms moving, wake up that upper body.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, nice work, everybody. Okay, give me some open close. Ooh, yes. Feel that chest and back, upper back open up. Okay, yes. Wake up, everybody.
All right. Yawn every time.
Does it? Well, you know, it's really when you do that chest move, it really you can get more oxygen into your lungs. It can make it relax you.
Maybe.
All right, nice work. Okay, here I want you. Give me some fists. Just give me some double reaches. Okay. If you have any spinal issues, don't twist, okay? Just give me just front punches. But if you can, give me a little torso twist here. We're gonna wake up our torsos.
Yeah.
Okay, breathe it out. Okay, nice work. Okay, good job. All right, and just for fun, we're just gonna kick it out. Okay? Just get some blood flowing in that lower body.
Yeah.
Okay?
Get your heart pumping.
That's right. And believe it or not, we're working on our balance here. Okay, go back into this nice gentle walk with the arm swings. Yeah. Getting warmed up, Mom?
Yep.
All right, you getting warmed up? Good job moving. Breathe. Great job showing up today.
Put a sweatshirt on and you really get warmed up.
Oh, yes. Have your own mini sauna, right? Okay, back to that open close. Ooh, yes.
I wonder how they got that name.
Sauna?
Sweatpants or sweatshirt.
Well, think about it. It's kind of, think about it. It's like, well, people sweat, right? So it's like, let's call this one a sweatshirt.
They can't call it a dewy shirt. That wouldn't be.
We could call it a dewy shirt. Okay, punches. Yeah, we could call it a dewy shirt.
Yeah, well, that's true.
That might confuse some folks. Really nice, everybody. Okay, good work. Okay, let's finish it up with those gentle kicks. Gentle kicks, yeah. All right.
Just like those track suits. Remember those track suits?
Yes.
Yeah, matching pants and bottom.
Yeah, believe it or not, those are very, very popular now.
They're popular?
Yeah, sweatpants. And if you've been traveling, take a look, everybody. A lot of people wearing those little matching sweatsuits.
What do I know?
Yes.
What do I know? Well,
yes.
now you can
observe.
They want you to travel with no pajamas. So tracksuit is good.
No pajama zone on the airport, right? Okay. All right. Nice work on this warm up. We'll take a pause here and get into our strength workout. Okay, everybody, let's pick up some weights if you want to. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So this is what we're going to do here. First strength move is a row and a kickback. So if you're seated or standing, back straight, hinge at the hips. We're pulling our shoulder blades together and we're kicking it back for the tricep move, okay? In, back in, bring it in and down, all right?
Okay.
Here, we're on for another about 20 seconds here. And kick it back, Mom. There you go. Bring it in and down. And keep going with this, everybody. Really nice. Good job. Yeah. Keep it going. Breathe it out. Nice work. Shoulder blades together and rest. Nice little 20-second rest here. Okay, whew. Breathe it out. Looking good.
Okay.
Now this is a chest press, so we're sitting or standing tall, bringing the weights up to shoulder level, and we're pressing it out. Now, these could get heavy, so if you want to put the weights down, please do. Okay, please do. Cause I'm already feeling this with only 5 pounds in each hand.
Yeah, and I got these little baby weights.
Right, and Mom,
can feel
rest or put them down if you need to, okay? Because it's more about form.
Yeah.
I want your shoulders to feel relaxed. There you go, that's it. So nice job modifying it there.
Yeah.
Okay, and even without any weights, you get a really good workout.
Yeah.
Okay, so breathe it out, everyone. Whoo-hoo. And rest. Nice work.
Okay.
All right, breathe. These are gonna go quick.
Okay.
Okay, 30-second rounds. Now we're gonna do the bicep curl.
Okay.
This time I want you to, we're gonna do like hammer curls, okay? So you can hold the weights near the top of your dumbbells, okay? Near the top, yeah, there you go. And palms are in. And we're just gonna bring them up and down slow, but with control, everyone, okay? With control. Breathe. Very nice. Breathe, breathe, breathe.
Actually, the weights are the one pulling you down, right?
Yes, do you feel that?
Yeah.
When your gravity is really pulling it up, I don't want you to just swing it down. I want you to really let it down with control.
Yeah.
You're really engaging the muscle there when you're doing it with control. Breathe. And very nice. And rest. Okay, so you know those 3 moves, right?
Right.
Okay, so now we're gonna do isometric versions of that.
Okay.
Okay, what does that mean? That means not moving the joint at all.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go back. We're gonna go back into that straight back, hinge at the hips move.
Okay.
Right, and we're gonna bring our shoulder blades together, and we're gonna hold this here and can kick it back.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So ready to do that?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Up and hold. Kick it back, kick it back, kick it back. Hold it. Hold it up there. If you need the rest, bring it down, but woohoo. Okay.
Okay.
Bring it in and down.
Okay.
Now I just want you to pull the shoulder blades together and just hold it up. Just a nice and gentle roll. Good. Shoulder blades together, everybody?
Yeah.
Check it in. All right, now I want you to kick it back and hold. Kick it back and hold. 5 more seconds. Hold, 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 hold. Working a tricep. Breathe, 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 breathe. And down. Woohoo. Nice work. See, that's a nice gentle way to strength train.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, next one is the chest press, everyone. So this time I'm actually gonna put one weight down. All right? Because we're gonna hold the weight
Okay.
like this, right? Right in front of us.
Okay.
We're just gonna hold it here.
Oh.
Yes. And again, if you need to put the weight down or not use the weight at all, please do that.
Okay.
All right? But it's an isometric hold, really challenging the shoulders here.
Yeah.
Breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Get the oxygen in.
Don't stop breathing.
Yeah, breathe. And so we have another 10 seconds here. Okay, breathe. This is what it looks like.
Okay.
Okay, looking good. Hold on. You can do anything for 3 seconds.
Getting heavy.
Hold, 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 and relax. Nice work. Nice work. Excellent work. Okay. Next one is the bicep curl. I'm going to pick up my 8s on this one, my 8-pounders, my heavier ones. And so, you know the bicep curl, but this time I want palms up. Okay? Palms up, breathe. And we're going to hold our weights. The wrist is in line with the arm, so no loosey-goosey with the wrist. Okay?
Okay.
Sit or stand tall, like that, 90 degrees. Very nice. Ooh. Engage in that bicep. Ooh.
Ooh,
Oh, yes. Okay, no loosey-goosey with the wrists.
Yeah.
Keep the wrists and hands in line with the arms. See that? Okay, breathe it out. Breathe, hold.
You feel it.
You need to rest, please rest.
Getting
Okay?
heavy.
Oh, yes. Feeling it. You're building muscle here, everyone. And, okay, and rest. 30-second rest. Okay, this is your time to take a sip of water.
Yeah.
Breathe it out. We're going to go into our next round of 3 exercises. I feel my muscles working on those. Okay, good work.
Those isometric ones.
Oh, yeah. Okay, first one you don't need any weights.
Okay.
We're just going to do some knee lifts.
Okay.
Okay? We're going to this is going to engage our core in a gentle way.
Okay.
All right. So breathe. So knee up and down. Knee up and down. And I want you to go slow. These are like gentle marches. Okay? Good. Yes. Breathe. Really, to do this, you have to work your core.
Yeah.
So nice job. And these 3 sets, these 3 exercises in this round are like great for the core and really good for your posture.
Good.
We all want good posture.
Yeah, we all want good balance.
That's right. That's right. And rest. Nice, nice, nice work. Now, you could on this one pick up some light weights, but you don't have to.
Okay.
This is where we're going to do some double reaches in a dynamic fashion.
Okay.
Okay, just like that.
Okay.
Okay, I want you to, lower body doesn't move, so it's not, no hip, no Elvis moves.
Okay.
Okay, no Elvis moves. You really should feel it in your torso.
Yeah.
Now, again, if you have spinal issues or osteoporosis where you don't have to move your mind, just give me some punches forward. Okay, nice. Okay, yep, we're in sync. There we go. But this is a nice gentle twist.
Yeah.
It's great for your core.
We need chubby checkers here.
That's right. No chubby checker. No chubby checker moves. That's another workout. Okay. All right. Really nice work, everybody. Now, I am going to pick up some light weights on this one.
Okay.
You don't have to.
All right, thank you.
Okay. This time, I'm going to do a single arm reach.
Ooh.
Okay. Oh, it's an overhead press, basically. Okay. If we have shoulder issues, don't do this.
Yeah.
Or don't use any weight at all.
Right.
It's enough without a
Be
weight.
like me, don't use any weight.
That's right. Follow mom here. Mom's setting a good example. Good job, mom. Breathe it out. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Nice work. Excellent. Good job. A few more seconds. Breathe and rest. Whew. All right, everyone. Good work. All right, so now we're going to go into the isometric portion of these 3 exercises.
Okay.
What does that mean?
Oh boy.
That means we're going to like move and hold, basically. Okay? So hold up. The first one is going to be that knee lift, right?
Yeah.
And if you wanted to challenge yourself on this one, you could actually just put a weight on your thigh. But that's an additional challenge. That's up to you. Okay? So let's start with your right leg here. Okay? And I'll give you a cue.
Wow.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Let's do the other side. 4, 3, and down. Good job. Breathe.
Yeah, don't stop breathing. Keep breathing.
And this one is great for your balance, everyone.
Oh, that's good.
I'm actually starting to get dewy.
Yeah, that's true. You're standing.
Let's
Well, even sitting, you can feel your glutes.
Yes, and rest. Whew. Yeah, absolutely. That's right. That's absolutely right. Oh, okay. Now I'm going to just use one weight for these double reaches. You don't have to use any weight at all.
Well, thank you.
Okay? It is just a reach over here, and I'm going to give you a cue.
I'll use one reach.
Okay? Okay, yeah. So we're just like reaching, right?
Okay.
Okay, so here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and in. Let's go the other side. Oh, feel that?
Yeah.
Uh-huh, and in.
This isn't isometric though, is it?
This is, we're holding it. I'm giving you these short holds, huh? Short hold.
Oh.
And in. And in. And just give me one more. Good. And in. Now, you could choose to hold it to one side for 15 seconds if you like, but I'm giving you some breaks.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so the next one, again, we're doing that overhead press. So no weights at all, right?
Okay.
Or you can choose one weight and just hold it up here like this. Okay?
Okay.
All right? Go for it. Go for it. Hold it. I'm going to use 2.
Ooh.
Just hold it there. Breathe.
Showing off as usual.
Please show off with me. Yes. Okay, hold up. Yeah. Good work. Oh, nice, Mom. You're looking good there. You're looking good too. Anytime if you need to rest, please rest. So we're just holding it up here. I'm starting to really feel this in my arms and my shoulders. One more, and down. Nice work, everyone. Weights down, please. Take a sip of water. We're gonna go into our cardio portion of this workout. 3 moves. 30 seconds each. Believe it or not, we're gonna do cardio with our arms.
All right.
Yes. All right. You ready to do this?
Yeah.
Okay, just breathe. If you're standing with me, I have a staggered stance. We're gonna punch it out, okay? Punch it out, and here we go. We are on for 30 seconds, go. And I want you to go as fast as you can. Breathe, breathe. You are looking good. Wow, Mom, you are boxing it out.
That, take a left, take a right, take a left, take a left uppercut.
Jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross. Good job, good job. Breathe it out.
Take a left, take a left.
Wow, Mom, you are like
Here we go.
burning it up there.
Knockout, TKO.
Breathe, 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 and rest. Woo!
Wow.
Do you feel that?
Yeah.
You got your heart rate up on that one.
For sure.
Awesome.
Good.
Okay, this workout's low on the steps, but it's high on cardio. Okay. All right, now here's the next challenge. We did front, and we're gonna go up now. Okay. This is gonna really get your heart rate up. And we're on. Yes. Okay. Yes. Breathe. Breathe. Make sure your feet are steady, and you are punching it out to the ceiling.
Get there.
Take that, right? All right, keep it going. You're looking good. Don't stop. You're looking good. Breathe.
This is like fast feet, the other end.
That's right. We got fast arms. It is. Yeah, fast going on in the other side of your body. Breathe and rest. Nice work. Whew.
That's a good one.
Take a breather. I got to take a sip of water on that one. Okay, we got.
Do fast feet and
You sure could. That's extra credit, everybody. That will really engage your core too if you're doing that in the chair. Okay, last cardio move.
Okay.
We're running it out. So give me a stagger stance if you're with me. We're running it out. Arms back, elbows back and forth, like we're running it out. Breathe. And I want you to go as fast as you can.
Create some wind.
Yes. Wow.
Oh yeah.
We are, poof.
We are moving.
That's right.
At least 10 miles an hour.
That's right. I just watched a documentary on cheetahs, and they were like going 70 miles an hour. So I'm gonna try to catch up.
We're moving.
I'm moving. Fast.
No limit, no speed.
That's right. Breathe. Nice work. How you doing?
Oh, very good.
Good job, everybody. All right, cool it down. Oh my God. Give me some open clothes. Whew. Wow. I felt my heart rate go up on that one.
That was a good one.
Did you get dewy on that one? Did you get dewy on that one? All right, and again, for friends who don't know what dewy is, that's our nice way of saying get sweaty. We prefer to say dewy.
Yeah.
All right, nice work. Give me some nice little stretches up. Oh boy.
Oh boy, it was good.
You did strength training and you did cardio work. So great job.
Great job.
Moving your body, everybody. This is all about building strength and endurance to be able to do your daily activities easier.
Yes.
All right?
Good
so
job.
whether it's playing with your grandkids, okay, reach the side.
Yeah.
Or grocery shopping,
Yep.
lifting groceries,
Yep.
or even just taking a walk
Yeah.
in your neighborhood. This is all going to be helpful. All right? Breathe. All right, nice work. Okay. Inhale up and down. And exhale. Inhale up. And exhale out. One more. Inhale up. And exhale out. Nice job. If you need more cool down, check out one of our cool down videos. And so this workout can be done 2 or 3 times a week. Because of the strength portion, I really want you to take a day of rest in between sessions. You know, allow your muscles to rest, okay? So great job building muscle and getting steadier on your feet, building strength to do your daily activities better.
That was fun. Nice job.
Yeah. So thank you so much for joining us. If you like this workout, let us know what you thought and subscribe to our channel. We love helping you get stronger, and we look forward to seeing you real soon. In the meantime, keep moving and
Stay strong.
stay strong. See you soon.